Okay, good morning, class.
Morning, sir.
How are you? Very good. Okay, so today we're talking about youth pledge. You know youth pledge?
Yeah.
What is it? Sumpah Pemuda. Okay. In the sense of youth pledge, dengan semangat Sumpah Pemuda, I have a question to you. The question is, as a student, what would you do to develop the country to reach Indonesia Golden 2045? So that is my question, and I want some of you answer my question, okay?
Yes.
Alright, so who can answer my question? Okay, yeah. Please.
I think we need to build a strong character because Indonesia is not only about smart people, but it's about people with integrity, discipline, and empathy. And we must practice honesty, respect, and teamwork daily in our life. Because a nation will not grow and the country don't have any citizen who have a good health.
Okay, thank you, Shira. Oh, your answer, please.
Okay, as a student, I have some steps to develop the country to reach Indonesian goal 2025. The first is I want to study hard for getting a good grades in class, and the second step is I want to learn English more because English is the national language. And the third is I want to learn from failure because the struggle I have is not easy.
Okay. Thank you, Annie. Okay, your answer, please.
My answer, please, is as a student, what will I do to develop the country to reach Indonesia Goal 2045 is I would like using Indonesian language to speak every day with other people in the other countries, and then I will use to rupiah with payment and will buying everything what I want every day.
That's all?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Raja. Your answer, please.
For me, I believe we must have education and development, self-development, because by studying hard and smart and mastering technology, and when we have a smart and skilled generation, is of the foundation as a nation.
Okay, thank you, Nara. Okay, your answer, please.
For me, I can study hard and be diligent. Besides that, I can improve my skills and talent, and of course, improve my attitude in behavior. That's all for me.
Okay. Okay, class. So today we have already discussed about commemorating the pledge as we call Sumpah Pemuda. Today is 28th October 2025, and we commemorated the youth pledge in 1928. So what is now? What can you do now? What would you do as a student to develop Indonesia to be Indonesian gold era in 2045? Well, we have just listened to the opinions from my class 10-6 class. That's all for today. Thank you for your coming and see you again. Bye-bye.